Hi guys, welcome to Healthy Eats. Today we are making high protein balls which are healthy and equally delicious. You can enjoy it before the workout or after the workout or to refuel when you feel low in energy. So let's get started. I'm taking 1 bowl of pure leaf multigrain flour, which is a natural substitute of protein powder. You can take any multigrain flour of your choice. I will dry roast it on medium flame for a couple of minutes till it turns slightly golden. And on the other side, I am boiling about 1 cup of water in a pan and I will add jaggery in it. After it comes to a boil, I will add the water in batches in the roasted flour. Now I will transfer the mixture into a bowl and will start with the dry ingredients. First I am adding some chopped almonds. It reduces the hunger pangs and promote fat loss. Then I am adding some black raisins. It is powerhouse of natural antioxidants and is rich in iron. Also I am adding little desiccated coconut for the flavor. And the best way to mix it is with your hands. Knead it like a flour. Next I am adding some mixed seeds. It contains all the 20 amino acids that are vital to build muscle. And they are ready. Now I am oiling my hands a little bit and we will make bite-sized balls. And I am rolling it in the dry desiccated coconut. The size of the ball can vary according to your choice. And they are ready to serve. It's full of nutrients, high in protein with healthy carbs, fats and fiber. This helps to support lean muscle mass, it provides you with sufficient energy boost and aids with weight control. I hope you found this recipe helpful. Subscribe to my channel for more such videos.